Hi guys, today let me show you how easy it is to add context to the start menu in Windows 10. So this is a very easy guide for Windows 10 and let's take a look at this first. Hi everyone, I'm back again with another amazing video. So if you don't want to miss any of our new videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon for you to always be updated with my latest video tutorials. Most of us have hundreds of contacts, yet only few communicate with us regularly. So Windows 10 has an overlook feature that allows you to pin these contacts to your start menu for easy access when you need it. Especially for family members. So let's get into it. So here's how it's going to be done. First, in your Windows 10, open the start menu or click this. Click the start menu or open the start menu, and then in here type in people. So in the search field, type in the people, and this is this one. Click this. So you can find it by searching in Cortana in here, search box, or you can find it in here. But I prefer to use Cortana or to type it in here, the search field. So now that we have this, so here is the people page or dialog box. So let's say that Sam, I'm going to this is my only contacts right now. This is just an example. So I'm going to select Sam. I'm going to select Sam and I'm going to pin this to start. So all I need to do is right click and pin to start or taskbar. So I'm going to pin this to start so that it will appear. So there's a pop-up message. Do you want to pin this tile to start? Yes. And so Sam will appear here. So as you can see, here is Sam. So if you have pictures of Sam, then it will appear here on your start menu in here. So you can add a lot of contacts in here. You can edit. So there's a lot of things that you can do. So you can add contacts by pressing this new contact or this plus icon. So that's how easy it is. And if you want to unpin the contacts, or if you want to pin Sam from your start menu, so just right click their image or their picture, their name, and then select unpin. So first is unpin from start. So here it is. So let's do that, and as you can see, it's gone. So that's how easy it is to add contacts to start menu in Windows 10. That's all for now, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching and learned something in this video. If you have to say something about this video, please don't hesitate to leave a comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.